Hello everybody. Today I, Tanya Alexander of Kararia University, will going to explain you a C++ program, and the topic for the question is arrays, and the question for the program is write a C++ program using class to process shopping lists for a departmental store. The list include details such as code number and the price of each item, and perform the operations like adding, deleting items to the list, and printing the total value of order. Note, use arrays in data members. So here we see the coding of the program. So this is the coding. Okay, so here I include all the input output streams, and then I include all the standard library files. So here in this program we use strings, so we include string also. So in this function we use getCh function, so hash include conio.h. So in this program we explain maximum of size 50 and the data type is const, and then we create a class which is named as shopping, and then inside class we initialize some variables like item code, item price, and counter. The data type for item code is string, the data type for item price is float, and counter for counting how many lists are there, means how many items are there, and the data type is int, and then a sum, and which is with the sum of all the items will going to be add up, and it will be in float. So then public, inside public, this is the calling. So in this we are defining shopping, counter, and sum. So here we are defining some, we are just initializing some functions, that is void get item, void display total, and void remove items. This is all about the class. Now outside the class we are calling the function, that is get item. Inside get item, then there is a cout statement, enter item code and price, and in this is the cin statement. Then another calling function of display. So cout statement is this, and in this there will going to be a for loop, which is int I equals to 0, I is less than counter, and I plus plus. If item price, that is I, is not equal to 0, then this cout statement will going to print. And then for removing the items, string a, enter the item codes. For removing the item code, user need to type the code of the item, and then again the for loop will going to work. What is the for loop is int I equals to 0, I is less than counter, I plus plus. If item code I equal to a, then item price I equals to 0, and then we're going to display the total, means the total of all the items will going to be add up over there. The same for loop will going to work in this. Now inside the main here shopping order, then int choice, and then in this program we are using menu driven program. So for this there is an option like add, display total, remove display item, and quit. And then there is do statement, that is enter option, then switch statement, and then there are 5 cases like for get item, for display total, for remove item, and for display. And then there will be another cout statement, that if a user is typing any other options among those, then there will be an error in input. And then cout statement is another option, press Y. If you want to go for another option, then you need to press Y. And then here the while statement which is getCh. That is why we used in the above hash include conio.h. So this is the program. Now we'll see the output. So build and run. Okay, so here there are options. So first we are typing like 1, that is add, then for enter the item code and price. So item code is 111, and the price, for example, 20, enter. Another, then press Y if you want to continue. press, and then option again will add, then item code 123, enter, and then price like 30, enter. And again we are going to add like 3 items only. You can add 50 till 50 items you can add, and then item code is 134, press, and then Y, then enter option. Now we will display all 4. So this is again Y, again we'll add one more, 1, enter, code like 1, 2 and 4, enter, price is 50, enter, so Y, enter. Now display all. This is the code of the items, and this is the code of the items, and this is the price of the items. Now we'll see the total. The option for the total is 2. So second, enter. So the total amount is 100 rupees. So Y, enter. Okay, now we will remove the items. So 3 items. So for removing we need to type the item code. So if you want to remove the first item, so item code for the first item is 111, enter. So the item has been removed. So again Y, then again we will remove 3, enter, and then another 1 2 3, enter. Y. Now we'll display the items. So for displaying 4, enter. Only last item is there. So again Y, again we will remove all the items. For removing second, no, for removing I get 3. So 3, enter, and then for the last is 1 2 4, 1 2 and 4, enter. So Y, enter. So now we will display display items, that is 4. Yeah, so the item list is empty, so there is no item in the list. So this is all about the program. We have seen add, display total, remove, display items. This is all about the program. Thank you so much for watching.